To get the most out of your BMO US account, it is essential to follow best practices that ensure secure, efficient, and beneficial use of your account. First, understand the types of accounts available, such as checking, savings, and investment accounts, and choose the one that best suits your financial needs. Next, set up online banking and mobile banking to easily manage your account. Check balances and transfer funds. Enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. This will help prevent unauthorized access and protect your financial information. To avoid overdrafts and late fees, set up low balance alerts and automate your bill payments. You can also set up transfer limits and daily spending limits to help you stay within your budget. Regularly review your account statements to ensure all transactions are legitimate and report any discrepancies to BMO immediately. Another best practice is to take advantage of BMO's financial tools and resources, such as budgeting apps and investment advice. These can help you make informed financial decisions and achieve your long-term financial goals. Consider setting up a savings plan or investment portfolio to grow your wealth over time. Finally, stay informed about BMO's policies and procedures, including their privacy and security policies, and understand how they use your personal and financial information. By following these best practices, you can ensure a safe, efficient, and beneficial experience with your BMO US account. Remember to always monitor your account activity, keep your contact information up to date, and reach out to BMO's customer support if you have any questions or concerns.